Ever had $1 million idea but weren't sure if it would work? Or maybe you're stuck wondering if you should put time, money, and effort into a concept you hope will take off. Instead of jumping in head first and investing all the time and effort, why not first make sure there's the actual demand for what you want to build? One of the most effective ways for early stage entrepreneurs to ensure their product will resonate with their intended audience is by building a proof of concept to gather customer feedback and attract investors. Hi, I am Sophia, product manager at Malfire, and in this video we will dive into what a proof of concept really is, why you need one, and how to create it step by step. So, what is a proof of concept? Put it simply, it's like a small experiment to see if your idea actually works. The goal isn't to perfect the product, but to validate what your solution addresses a real problem, is valued by potential customers, and that people are willing to pay for it. Let's face it, not every idea is winner. Without a proof of concept, you risk wasting time, money, and resources chasing something that might not even work. For startups, that's the shortcut to disaster. For investors, a quick no thanks. Here is the truth. A strong proof of concept shows the stakeholders you are serious, you are strategic, and you got data to back it up. Plus, it's not just about avoiding failure, it's about building confidence. A proof of concept gives you the insight you need to refine your idea, attract investors, and build a product people really want. Alright, so now you know why a proof of concept is okay, but how do you actually pull it off? Let's break it down step by step in a way that's easy to execute. First thing first, you need a goal, but not just any goal. Your goal should be specific, measurable, and achievable, based on your current resources. And most importantly, it has to make sense for your business. Before you dive into the specific of your goal, take the step back and ask yourself, what is your target audience? What problem you are solving for them? And most importantly, what is the success metric that will show people your solution works? And this is the key because the goal you set should directly align with your audience needs. Don't overthink it. Keep it straightforward and focus on what will make your target audience engage with your product. Once you have defined your audience, it's time to set your goal. There is no one size fits all success metric, but the most common approach is to show that there is demand for your product or service. Usually, that means generating revenue or getting commitments from paying customers. A few examples of what your goal could look like. For instance, if you're writing a book, your proof of concept goal could be 10 pre orders even before the book is written. If 10 people are willing to pay for something that doesn't even exist yet, that's your proof that there is demand. And that's the confidence you need to move forward. Step 2. Build a simple prototype. Once you have set your goal, next step is to create a prototype. And here is the good news. It doesn't need to be fancy. Your prototype just has to work well enough to demonstrate your concept. Think Google Doc, fake landing page, a video demo, or even a clickable mockup. Don't get bogged down by perfection. Just focus on showing that your idea has legs. Step 3. Test, measure, and learn. Now comes the real test. Share your proof of concept with potential customer, get a feedback, and track your results. What you think matters far less than what your audience thinks. So listen to their feedback even if it's tough to hear. Their input will help you refine your idea and make it stronger. And remember, what gets measured gets improved. Track everything. How many sign-ups, how many purchases, how many clicks. These data will serve as your roadmap for improvement and help you decide whether to move forward, pivot, or rethink your approach entirely. Need some inspiration? Let's look at few famous examples of how proof of concept were used to great effect. Elon Musk used a video to show off his tunneling project before it even exists, creating a buzz and attracting the right investor and customers. Product Hunt started with a simple email newsletter to build a community of early adopters before launching the full product. A simple Google Doc outlining the future hiking guide generated a pre-orders, proving there was demand before the guide was written. Think about how many products never get off the ground because they solve a problem no one actually has. Don't let yours be one of them. Setting a proof of concept goal is all about testing your assumptions and gaining confidence that your idea can succeed. It doesn't need to be complicated. Pick a goal, break it down into steps, and test it in the real world. If you failed, great. You are gaining insights to move forward smarter. If you succeed, you'll know you are onto something big. Your idea deserves a chance to shine. It's not about being perfect, it's about taking action. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button. Check the link below and follow us on social media for more tips and updates. And if you're ready to take your startup to the next level, visit Malfario. We will help you build fast and smart. Catch you next time.